Most businesses begin using a CRM system to fulfill their email marketing needs. But marketing is only a small piece of the CRM pie. Welcome to another edition of Marketing Tip Monday. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. So simply put, a CRM system is what enables you to more effectively manage relationships. Today, we're going to discuss 4 competitive advantages you gain when using a CRM effectively. Advantage 1, do more in less time. By compiling an accurate and inclusive CRM database, you'll be off to a good start towards efficiency because you'll have one central system of truth for obtaining information about a person or transaction. Additionally, a CRM will allow you to automate menial or repetitive tasks, saving you valuable time. Many of us are required at times to work in the field, and your CRM should go with you. A CRM with mobile accessibility will provide you much of your CRM's functionality so you can be effective no matter where you're working. Advantage 2, build a cohesive team. Providing customers with a white glove experience is a team sport, and your CRM should be too. By keeping record of all customer interactions in a CRM, each team member has access to the same information all the time. No longer will you need team meetings to get updates on customer transactions or call one another after hours with urgent customer requests. Simply pull up a customer's record in CRM and have access to all of their data on the spot. Advantage 3, wow your customers. Repetitive communication like transaction updates should be automated through your CRM, so your customer is provided with real-time updates every time. Also, by having a holistic view of all communication with a customer, you can more easily identify communication gaps and course correct to avoid them in the future. Advantage 4, gain a strategic edge. The data a CRM provides is a powerful tool in enabling you to be strategic about your business decisions. You can easily identify which partners are bringing you the most business or which marketing campaigns are providing the biggest return on investment. With these insights, you can focus your efforts on the areas of business that have the biggest impact on your bottom line. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time on another edition of Marketing Tip Monday.